All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is part 2 of foldable number 2. So for this one, we're going to be using the same equation of a to the t is equal to a times 1 plus r to the t power. So this one is suppose you invest in a savings account that pays 5% annual interest. If you make no additional deposits or withdrawals, how many years will it take for the account to grow to at least $1,500? So this pays out annually. So, let's work it out. So for this one, we're gonna have to use a calculator to solve. But first, let's set up this thing here. So we know our initial amount is gonna be our 1,000. So that's gonna be our A. So our A is gonna equal to 1,000. Our A to the T is our amount after the T periods, and that's what we want, which is the 1,500. And then we have our rate, which is equal to 5% annual interest. So that one is going to be a 0.05. And our T is the time period that we're looking for. So our T is the unknown. All right, so we're going to go ahead and set this up now. We have this new fancy color. So we have our A to the T, which is 1,500. Equal to A, which is 1,000, times 1 plus our R to the T power. Okay, so this one we're just going to simplify this real quick. We have 1,500 is equal to 1,000, and then we're just going to combine that 1.05 to the T. All right, for this one we're going to get our calculator. I know I'm using the other one different than yours, but it's still similar. You're just going to go to calculate. It's the calculator. You're going to go to menu, algebra, solve. You guys will have a different, I think it's you guys are end solve on your calculators, and then you're just going to basically type in the equation. Let me move this over so we can see the equation. So you're basically just going to type in 1,500 equals 1,000 parentheses 1.05 close parentheses to the, you can put T, or I'm just going to use X for this one. And then I'm going to put comma and X. This basically means that you want to solve for X. You just click enter, and it's going to give us that our T in this case is going to equal 8.31. But we can't, since we're being paid out annually, we can't use the 8.31. So it's basically going to be after 9 years. So, that's going to be, so if the amount is that means this is, T is going to have to equal 9 years. So we're going to have to go back and now plug it in here. We have, once again, we have the equation. So we have 1,000 times our 1.05 close parentheses. And now we know it's to the 9th power. Hit enter, and that's going to give us our total amount. So this is going to be our total amount. So it's basically our conclusion is going to be, so after 9 years, comma, the account will contain, let's do it here just in case, contain, and it was, calculator, $1,551.33, comma, which is over 1,500.